Hello YouTube, the Techno is here. In this video we are going to create a DIY super bright LED panel for YouTube videos. First of all we need a cardboard sheet and a LED FUB. I will give you the link in the description. You can check out and buy this. And to a DC 12 volt power supply and input supply port. That's all. Let's make it. First we take our cardboard sheet and take our FUB and mount 1 centimeter on each side. Draw a frame like this. And mark FUB. Now just cut the frame. No need to cut this. We will just remove one layer of it. Now cut the frame with a cutter. Now it is cut. Don't cut it, just remove one layer of it. Like this. Now it is done. Now FUB will fit inside there properly. Just make a hole like this and pass the socket wires through it. Now put some hot glue here and paste the socket here. Now put hot glue here and paste the FUB. Now wait for it dry. Now it is dry. Just cut wire. And folded them right here. The negative on negative and positive on positive. Now for diffusing light, I am using a butter paper sheet here. Just place it here. Put some glue and paste all sides here. Do the same with all sides. Now our panel is ready. Now we are going to test it. I'm using 12 volt DC. Here it glows. Sorry for that flashing effect. That's my camera problem. I will fix it later. See the brightness, it is really good for YouTube videos. You can see it is very bright. It can be used in YouTube videos. Now I am going to test it outside the room. Here I am. Now it is night here. You can see the brightness. It is really good. Hope you like it. Please like my video and leave a comment down below and subscribe to our channel, the Techno channel. Thanks for watching.